Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Today I'm going to show you how to take a hardtop off this 2015 Jeep Wrangler. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. There's two of these, we're just going to take these out, twist. Take that one out, then we'll take this out. We're going to start by taking this panel off, the one directly over the drivers. We will disconnect this right here, just twist it to the left, just like that. And then over here, this is normally latched, so we're going to unlatch that as well. And over here, right there, and then last, this piece right here. Unlatch that. We're going to push up. And you can grab this from outside the vehicle, get underneath and pull it off. Next on the passenger side, we're gonna unlatch this latch right here, just like that. And then on the front one, if the rear view mirror is in your way, pull that out of the way, unlatch that. And we can lift up on this. And then grab it from the outside, and pull it off. Then from up top here, there is two Torx bolts that are a T40. I'm going to take these two bolts out on both sides. This one out, open up the back, open the lift glass. I can store these bolts underneath here. Stick those right there. I'm going to disconnect this electrical connector right here. There's a little lock tab on here, this little red thing. Slide that to the right, push down on this button, and slide it down. And then also this washer fluid hose, we're going to disconnect this. Just slide that out like that. And tuck that to the side. Next we have 6 Torx bolts. They're a T40. We're going to use our T40 socket and a ratchet. There's 3 on this side and 3 on the other side. Take those out. That up. So before we lift this up, we're going to want to grab a partner, but I'm going to close this door right here. I'm going to leave this open, and then we're both going to grab the sides and lift up, and then just walk straight back. Once you get this in the place you want, you can close the lift gate, lift glass.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.